Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick review on the Sassy-n-Chic shadow switching sponge. Basically this is a tin, and inside the tin you have a sponge, and you swipe off your eyeshadows like this in between shadows to keep using the same brush throughout your entire makeup look, or just want to use one or two brushes for your entire makeup look. This is going to be your friend. This does work. You'll see in these clips here, it takes off the shadow very quickly. It goes onto the sponge. You are able to get your brush completely clean and continue on using it and dipping it into a different shadow. Then you can switch back, clean your brush off again and keep going. This thing is amazing for $1. What cute packaging as well. DollarTree is really stepping up their game. Beat finding a shadow switching sponge for $1. Now this isn't a super soft sponge either. It is kind of like abrasive, but honestly it's to help get all eyeshadow out of your brush. And it does work. I also wanted to insert a clip here of me cleaning this, how easy it is to clean this. You literally take it out, get it wet, put some soap on there, scrub it off, rinse it, and literally this dries in minutes also because it is so porous that you can just pop it back in your tin after a few minutes and continue on. I'm not kidding, it's that easy. This thing is great, and if you love applying makeup, this is a great little tool to have on your desk to help you in the process and make it quicker. I think this is great for travel. If you don't want to take that many brushes with you, maybe you don't want to wash brushes when you travel, take this, my friend. If you find this, definitely pick it up at your Dollar Tree. It's totally worth the $1. Heck, pick up 2. I do have another one of these that I did get from AOA Studio. It is very much smaller than this one. This is the AOA Studio one. It comes in a plastic container I destroyed with acetone, and this one is much bigger in comparison. We're both $1, so if you find the one at the Dollar Tree, definitely pick it up. It's better quality than the AOA Studio one in my opinion as well, but if you already own this one, you might want to skip on that one too because they do the same thing. I will say AOA Studio has a softer sponge than this one, but none of that really matters. It does work for what it says it's supposed to work for. It does do what it claims, and I think it's a great little product to definitely try out for yourself. And it's great if you don't have a lot of makeup brushes either. So just some ideas and some tips there, and you found this review, product rave, helpful. I hope you will stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews in general, makeup, nails, mommy videos, all that good stuff, hauls. And I thank you guys always for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Don't forget to check the description box out for a lot of different additional links. Stay tuned for more videos, and I thank you guys again for watching.